As you can see here, I have just received $118 point of view in my Pazer account. Now before I show you this secret method on how to make money by watching ads 2021, people who are weak-hearted should not watch this video, because the method I'm going to show in this video can blow your mind, and you may die due to this. Because this method is very powerful and very few people know about this method, but before I reveal this method, please show some support and give a thumbs up to this video, because it motivates me to create more this type of amazing content for you guys. So click on the first link in the description and it will take you on this page. Now on this website you can make money by watching ads. As you can see, it is clearly written in the big words. Before I move forward, I want to say that you don't need to invest anything. You can earn money absolutely for free with this site, so just click on this sign up button in order to start earning, and fill all this information, then solve this CAPTCHA, and after that click on this register button, and when you click you will also get up to $20 as a sign up bonus. This is how the dashboard look like. So first thing we have to do is, we have to click on this paid click to ads button, because we have come here, because we want to make quick cash by watching or clicking on small ads. Now when you scroll down you will see all this ads. Ads are literally 5 seconds long and you will get a certain amount on each ad you watch. Daily you will get 20 to 30 ads in every 2 to 3 hours, which you can see and earn money. So this is the fastest and the easiest method to earn money on this site. So let's see even better technique to start earning money on this. So take your mouse pointer over here, and then click on OJO Grid, it will take you on this page. Here you will get up to a $1 for clicking anywhere on this image. This is very simple and easy task. Third best way to earn money from this site is offers. You will get lot of simple tasks, and if you complete this task you will get certain points. For example, if you download this app in your phone, you will get 32 points. Similarly, if you download this app you will get 4 points. Now there are a lot of offers. And these are the filters. Example, if I click on mobile icon, this website will only show you offers related to mobile phones. Similarly, if I click on this desktop icon, website will show offers related to desktop. And last is survey. If you complete this one survey you will get 57 points. And if you complete this survey you will get 89 points. And this website is different from other site, because on this site, new offers are added on a daily basis. Now let's see how to earn up to $700 per month on complete autopilot using this site. This is the main trick, so listen carefully and watch till the end, don't skip. Now this is the benefits calculator, and if you only have 40 direct referrals, you will earn $679 per month, based on your referral who will see the ads for you. If you join 500 people on this site using your link, you will make $1,714 per month on complete autopilot, without watching any ads, because this 500 people will watch the ads and complete the surveys for you. This is very powerful. Now there are 2 ways: either you buy referrals on rent, or you manually join the referral by promoting the links on social media. And this way you can earn more than $500 per month without doing any work. Now if you want even simpler method, then click on the first link in the description, because using this method, 64-year-old grandma is making more than $9,000 commission per month on complete autopilot, and using the same method I am also making more than $2,000 per month in complete autopilot. So if grandma and I can do it, you can also do it. Click on the first link in the description.